A drone that promises cinematic aerial shots without spending a fortune. But can this shoot professional looking footages? So I took this IZI Brephos out into real landscapes, real wind conditions and cinematic scenarios. And honestly, some of these shots surprised me. In this video, let's test its camera quality, flight stability, cinematic capabilities, and see if this is actually worth it for creators. Hey, this is Raghavendra here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the new video. See, as a travel filmmaker, I'm always searching for gear that's compact, easy to carry, and still cinematic enough for content creation. And recently, I got my hands on this IZI Brephos drone. So in this video, I'll show you the complete experience from unboxing, build quality, flying experience, camera footage, and whether this drone is actually useful for creators. This packaging already feels super premium. Right after opening the box, we are welcomed with clean little thank you card from IZI. Then comes the carrying case, and honestly this really looks premium. Solid build, smooth zipper, and perfect for creators who travel a lot. Inside we get the charging adapter, 2 batteries included in the box, and each battery gives almost an hour of backup, which is actually very great for longer cinematic shoots. We also get additional cables and accessories neatly packed inside, and there is something really useful. The power hub can charge up to 4 batteries at once. Now coming to the controller, minimum premium and very clean. The control sticks are stored inside, setup is quick, and the mobile holder is super easy to use. Buttons feels tactile, responsive, and overall the controller feels very intuitive. And finally, this IZI Brephos drone already feels like a serious cinematic tool. First impression, the drone feels surprisingly compact and lightweight. The foldable design makes it very travel friendly, especially for the creators who don't want bulky gear in their bag, just like me. One thing I noticed immediately is how beginner friendly this drone feels. Features like GPS support and return to home make flying much easier. The brushless motors also help in smoother flights and more stable footage. And because it's lightweight and compact, this is a kind of drone you can carry literally anywhere. Now comes the most important part. How does it actually perform in real world conditions? So I tested this drone during golden hour, and honestly the aerial perspectives look beautiful because of this log footages as well. The control feels responsive, hovering is stable, and getting cinematic moments is easier than expected. For travel creators and filmmakers, shots like these instantly add production value. But there are also a few things you should know before buying this. The major pros for buying this particular drone is it's compact and easy to fly, cinematic angles, beginner friendly, and of course it's travel friendly as well. The cons, you have to avoid flying in heavy wind conditions. So this is not replacing high-end cinema drones, but honestly, creators starting out, it gives you access to cinematic aerial storytelling at a much more accessible level. And since it's made in India, you get a warranty and you get a service as well. At the end of the day, drones are not just about specs. They are about perspective, and the IZI Brephos definitely helps creators capture moments from completely different angles. So if you are into travel filmmaking, reels, YouTube, or cinematic content creation, this drone can actually be a fun tool to experiment with or to learn with and to carry light as well. So if you enjoyed this cinematic review, subscribe for more travel filmmaking and tech content, and let me know what should I shoot next with this drone as well. Cheers.